Hello guys, welcome to the video. In this Kotak Neo Part 3 video, we'll see the orders and portfolio page. Okay, in orders page, you have three options: open, closed, basket. In open orders, you may see the orders which is a limit order and target order and stop loss order. This kind of trades and orders are shown there. In closed page, your completed, cancelled or rejected orders which is already executed, that kind of trades are shown there. In basket order, you have 5 baskets. For example, I'm clicking the basket 1. In this area you can add your stocks in your basket. You have another option to add stocks from your watch list. By clicking this, your watch lists are shown here. In watch list you can add the stock whichever you want. Okay, for example, I'm adding bank nifty sell and bank nifty call option buy. If I need to know the required margin, final margin, available margin, hedge benefit, these kind of details shown here. So the required margin is 88,000, final margin is 26,000 and the hedge benefit is 62,000. It was really helping for us. By clicking this blue color placing order icon, your orders will be placed. These all are the details about in the orders page. Okay, in portfolio page, you have two options. First one is investments, second one is positions. In investment page, your invested stocks details are shown here. For example, I was invested 1 lakh rupees in Reliance 1 year before. It may show here. In positions, your current trading stocks are shown here, like your intraday trade or carry forward trade. That kind of tradings positions are shown here. You can track your P&L report. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Like and share this video. Subscribe to the channel. For more information, follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Thank you guys.